We're here at Batam, Indonesia. Just check in, then my dinner. Alright, let's start the game na. Tingnan natin kung anong makakain sa loob. Oh. Free to di ba? Ano siya, free dinner kasi 2 nights kami magstay. So, tsaka plus Christmas. Yan o. Sige, oh. Sige lang. Ano yan? Oh. Yes, together with the gang. Nothing. Yan o. Kain muna kami.
Meron dun pasta pa, Frank. Ang dami dun. Dami na. Hindi din ako. Ganda. Kulay eh. Oo. Nakatayo. Patagba. Hindi mo alam na ganito. Wala na kasama. Breakfast lang ang meron tayo. Parang kuchinta. Tapos Maggi.
Cereal prawn. Good. Dessert na siya. Ano ba? Pala. Picture muna. Busog. Daming pagkain. Sarap. Ano na itong hotel? Hotel Baloy. Saan? Asan? So, yun yung hotel namin. Kami galing kanina. Pala kami lumabas. Lakad kami po. Yun. Ay Hotel Baloy. Zoom. Ay Hotel Baloy. Alright.
Magkabilang side is mall. Mall on the
Mall yan?
side, mall at the
Oh.
side. Yes. 2 malls.
Mall doon. Mall din dito. So, very convenient.
And then, merong
Night market. Ito, parang hawker center.
Ito yung isa kong nakita na after.
Uy, ayan oh. Party. Party! So, we're here at Batam, Indonesia. Anong lugar to?
Ayun o, well, just a good place.
Kaya boy. Ano dito? Inom-inom. Kami oh.
Parang naligaw tayo.
Oh, live seafood. Lobster. Ito, seabass. Parang seabass. Oh, mud crab. Oh, crayfish. Prawns. Flower crab. Lobster, oh.
Kaming mura eh.
Sabi, ano daw? Foot massage. Oo, ako kagad. Sarap kaya yun.
My
Nakaka-relax.
favorite na yan.
Ito. Pag body massage kasi, hindi mo siya nare-relax. Pero pag sa paa, masarap yan. Ha?
Yan o, food reflexology. Massage and
Ayan o. The Infinity. Naku,
reflexology.
walang katapusan yan kung Infinity. 365 days na foot reflexology.
Tingnan mo yan. Tingnan mo kung magkano yung presyo. Doon tayo
Ito pa, marami pa. Ito pala. Area pala ng mga ano to. Yung mga massage
Nagoya
parlor.
kasi ito, Nagoya.
Sa Japan pala tayo eh. Nagoya. Baka mamaya Nagoyo ah.
Huwag naman tayong magpapagoya. Parang mas okay.
So naghahanap pa kami ng ano. Foot massage parlor. Welcome to Batam,
Nagoya tayo.
Indonesia. Yes sir. 100,000. Daming pera na eh, pre oh. 100k oh.
Yeah, have you said to lie down to share? Is it okay? Sure. Lie down to share. Yeah, sure. Okay.
Alright. So we're now here. Massage. Magkano yung massage? $11. Ano yun? Leg, foot,
1 hour. Back,
back, shoulder.
1 hour.
Kamay din eh.
Oh, kamay niya. Parang whole body na.
Pero yung sa likod, nakaupo lang.
Hindi kami nakahiga.
Kaya naman.
Sarap yun sa amin. Sobrang sarap.
Ay, nakaupo.
Full body massage.
Ang napansin ko, lahat sila nagbe-burp.
Oo, ay okay na. Pala.
Puro po sa nakatalo po eh.
Hindi yung hangin niya, no?
Burp ng burp eh.
Tsaka last customer na kami. Uwian na pala, last gis. Nag-tip naman ka.
Kaya sabi ko,
Parang total $15 lang. Ayan, durian. Yan sana yung lighting oh. Ha? Ay, sorry. Yan tayo. Nasa tayo? Nagoya?
Nagoya.
Buti na lang, hindi kami nagoyo.
Ayan, no, pero
Sulit na, sulit yun. Mura. Mura. Magkano? 8,000. 8,000 Indonesian rupiah. Magkano yan? 67 cents.
parang ganun yung kasi
Ano, half the price. 10,000 lemonade. Ice cream 8,000. First day pa lang to, first night. So meron pa kaming 2 days and 1 night. Na kasi yung pala kanina order pala nung nauna sa amin. Akala ko yun eh. Ice lemon tea pala yun. Ito lemonade lang.
mura mo na naman yan.
Oh.
Nandun pala. Doon tayo sa kabilang side naman. Ganda.
Ganda. Ganda lang kuha.
Kabilang side, di parang linaw.
Bago eh. Bago eh. Sponsored by.
No.
Sarap.
Sarap, no? May
Asim
sugar.
naman na-miss na.
Watch out.
Hindi, masarap. Sarap. Refreshing. So, pag napunta kayo dito, yan. Ice Real Fruit Tea. So, dito lang kami sa kabilang kalsada. Yung hotel namin nandiyan. So, dito lahat yung mga massage parlor. Tapos may parang night market. Food, ano pa doon? Street food. Meron din doon. May nagpo-perform doon eh, oh. Right, so lakad-lakad lang. Hindi lang kung saan kami pupunta.
Tingin-tingin lang. Dapat
Ito
parang
pala yun.
tumawid tayo doon.
Singapore.
Yan yung mundo lang sa namin.
Ay, ito yung Oakwood. Ito, 5-star hotel. Yan. 5-star hotel yan. Ano na to? Nagoya pa rin ba to?
Balik tayo. Susunod na lang yan. Di, mas gago.
Yun, oh. Tamang chill lang sa, ano.
Yari ka sa
Right by the side. Morning, good morning.
morning. Hanap na.
It's Christmas Day here in Batam, Indonesia.
Merry Christmas.
Dami sir. Actually, ano lang.
Sir. There you go. Huh? Breakfast. Christmas Day. We're gonna have a day tour here in Batam, Indonesia. So yung driver na magtutour sa amin dito na. Let's go. Ito na yung service namin. Let's go.
Okay, I'm Rian. I'm from Clock. I'm the driver for you today. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Let's enjoy the day.
Yeah. Hopefully you can enjoy the trip today. So, are you from Singapore?
Yeah, we're from this.
Are you live in Jordan too?
Yeah. Basketball player daw itong ano namin. Teacher pala siya. PE teacher daw.
Okay, I will help you. Watch out, sir.
Batam.
Ah, nice.
There's the Batam sign.
Of course, Filipino gonna be good player because the famous sport is basketball. Yeah.
Sir.
Hard to beat Filipino, you know.
Okay.
May kamukha kulay ng
If you want to give money, if you don't want, it's okay.
Silverman.
Yeah.
It was too hot in this time.
Yeah,
Kalaban ni
to
ano
hard
yan eh.
without
Sa
clothes, you know.
Fantastic Four.
Oh.
Silver
I
Surfer.
understand if in the evening you do, it's
Yeah.
okay because it's evening. But at
No.
this time,
The stairs is like this. You can go up to the stairs, or all of you want go to up there, the court.
no, I think
Oh,
they
yes,
can
check.
go. They will go check there.
Okay, you.
Still close.
Oh, still close. Okay. 8 p.m. right?
Ano daw dito?
I will call them
Basketball
and
court.
then book. Yeah. They're not open yet.
May court doon.
Okay, nanti aku pastiin ya.
Roundabout.
Coba tanya lapangan enggak.
Batam cakes. Layer cakes. Kuya Lapis. Kuya Lapis yun, di ba? I can smell the layered cakes already. You know? Kuya Lapis.
Yeah.
Kuya Lapis. Free taste. So, titikim ka muna. Kung may magustuhan ka, huwag kang bumili. Patikim. Mocha.
There you order.
Up. Cake. Ano siya? Kasi siyempre, yung normal na cake, pag kinagat mo, parang, tawag dun? Gihiwalay, parang ganun. Ito, parang siksik eh. Pag kinagat mo, malambot na, parang chewy. Yung chewy. Masarap lang nguyain. Oh, Jordan shoes oh.
$4.70. Almost $5.
Oh, yung pala maliliit lang.
Pili ka na po.
My name is Anita. I will explain for you about Indonesian coffee. Okay, this way please. And here we roast the coffee bean inside, and here all of the coffee we use the pure roasting. As you know, sometimes people roast the coffee, there will some margarine, sugar, salt, and corn. But if 100% pure roasting, this means just the coffee we roast it, and we use the Italian restoration then. So just give us a roll and later get ready.
Bango.
Okay, we will stick together and roast. From first to Celsius is 21.1 degrees Celsius, and this is the best temperature for coffee plantation to grow the coffee and cocoa ratio. And we want the world record because we. And the good one is the flat bean and tea berry coffee. Flat bean with coffee milk because only Indonesia, Sumatra Island, the Sumatra rainforest have this wild luwak animal. So this one not musang. Okay, Indonesia also have musang. We also call musang, but luwak special type. Luwak protect medical ferment, so we cannot take for prefer. Okay, coffee later you drink it pure, you don't add the other thing first. The first step will be little the tea berry coffee.
Very coffee.
Oo. Huli ano nga yung ano.
This one is flat bean.
Yeah. Tea
Kasi
berry
half
coffee
lang
is
siya.
the full.
Tea berry is this one.
You can smell
Tea
it first.
berry, flat bean kasi half lang.
Creamer.
This one is
Coconut
sugar
creamer.
So you must put 1 spoon. Sugar free.
Okay, flat bean coffee.
This one is 100 grams. Yeah, every
170.
every box here,
$170.
170 Sing dollar. You can
The
get
whole box, 170.
yeah, 170 go for 40 cup. So 1 cup is $4. Okay, for the promotion you get Cool Boss Tea Berry Coffee. Then you can choose the equipment.
This is the luwak. Pwede mo mag-stay sa India.
Meron siyang ibang amoy na
That's right.
parang ano. Parang alam ko yung amoy na yan.
Yeah, if you drink at Singapore, 1 cup already 50 Sing dollar. If you take this one, can go for 40 cups. So 1 cup only $4.
Parang hindi, ito
Coffee
yung
luwak.
ito yung 170. Ito yung ano lang, 50,000. Parang pwede natin bilhin ng ano kasi pinag-perfect at gagawin. No price ah.
Alright, so we're here at Love Seafood, Nagoya.
How much is this? Snapper. Sa snapper naman.
Live seafood. Wow, very big.
Very big.
Very big. Pulang-pulang 1 kilo. Tujuh ratus ml. So, itong dito. Si Radyo Mandalor Asing. Salted egg.
Actually,
Sauce.
ang the best dyan,
Sauce.
steam. Kasi ano yun, fresh.
Oh, parihan mo na. Gusto ko yung lagyan mo lang ito ba para may kanila. Lagyan mo ito para may wait mo muna sa kanila. Oo, pag sa probinsya, ganito sinaano ko. Okay. Sige, ikutin mo ka. Ikot mo na ako, pre. Ikot mo na. I-fry din sa bawang. Ito pang pahong. Buti pwede, akala ko kasi parang alam mo yung maanghang-anghang na magiging ayaw din.
Ano to? Blue fire? Basta blue fire.
Blue fire beach lang.
Yun. Blue fire pero pink yung beach. Pink color yung sand. Ayun oh, pink talaga. Let's see the pink sand. Kulay pink oh. Pink talaga eh oh. Pink beach, pink sand. Hangin. Hangin. Jamrant. Yes, sir. Mga bata. Delikado.
Maliliksip.
Me, okay?
So far, so good.
Later tonight for sure.
Yeah. Tonight you play me later.
No!
Because of you.
Once we step on the court,
No pain.
all done. But after,
Yeah.
Come on.
Ito rin namin. Nagaya mag-basketball. Ayan.
Okay. It's okay. Dude. It's okay. Dude.
Yeah, the shoes.
You wanna bring the coffee to Singapore?
I wish. First one, the first one is kind of soft compared to this one.
So for sure they're
Kasi
gonna buy Kobe when
my
they
first
come back
Kobe
to
is this.
Singapore.
Kobe 8 nung unang release niya.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Message us when you go to Singapore.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, have a good
This one
night.
is the
See you
best
next-
tour guide.
See you next time.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, I forgot.
Okay, the friend.
Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome.
You take
Okay.
care.
Till next time.
I'll see you next time.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you next time.
Don't worry, we're gonna leave very
Bye.
good, very good.
Don't forget to give good review.
Review,
Yeah.
very
Of course.
good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Have a good night.
Nagka-cramps na yung legs ko. Nagka-cramps na. Sakit. Ano? Overlooking. We're here at the pool. Here at Cocktail Paloy. Overlooking. Ooh. Fifth floor. Level 5. Ayun, may gym. Sightseeing na lang. Sa katawan na galing nag-basketball talaga. Alright, so we're here again at Love Seafood Restaurant but here in Batam Center. Yung kahapon sa may Nagoya, malapit sa hotel. So, bago muna kami bumalik na Singapore, kain muna kami, then I'll see you again later. Seafood! Let's go!
Isang balat kaya ganyan. Pero ang in-expect ko, pastanto. Akala ko rin may charcoal something. Yung grilling ano. Oo, ako yung in-expect ko din. Parang nangyari pang instant din.
Seafood again.
Seafood, magic.
Bakit? Mali pala yung naibigay sa atin. Extra. Napansan.
Gusto ko to, lahat ng dagat. Nakalimutan ko kakainin yun. Yung ganito, kinain mo. Sarap niya. Palang ko ito.
Sarap daw.
Starbucks na lobby.
And that's it for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you again on the next video.